Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. It is currently trending online that Chief Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho, has been released in Cotonou. Is this news real or not? Let's get into it. You could recall that the news of Chief Sunday Igboho's arrest in Cotonou last Monday night is still a talk of town. He was arrested in Cotonou, Benin Republic, and expected to be extradited to Nigeria with immediate effect. According to an elder statesman and historian, Professor Banji Akintoye, a renowned historian and leader of the umbrella body of Yoruba self-determination groups, earlier said he, alongside others, are currently working to provide legal assistance for Igboho to prevent his extradition into Nigeria. According to a source, he said, and I quote, "Benin Republic is a land that respects the rules of law." He also said, I and other Yoruba patriots who are immediately available are now working to provide the assistance necessary to ensure that nobody will be able to do to him anything unlawful or primitive, and to prevent him from being extradited into Nigeria, which is strongly possible. The statement also says, fortunately, Benin Republic is a reliable and land of law where the authorities responsibly obey the law. So, it appears this effort has yielded a good result, as it's currently trending online that he has been released by the government of Benin Republic. Contrary to this trending report that the Yoruba Nation agitator Sunday Adeyemo, aka Sunday Igboho, has been released and flown to Germany, a source just confirmed that he is still being held by authority of Benin Republic. A source says that Professor Wale Adeniran of Ilana Omo Oodua, umbrella body of Yoruba self-determination groups, confirmed this in a Zoom meeting organized by Heritage Multimedia TV. Professor Adeniran debunked the trending news that he has been released. He said, and I quote, "I have just spoken with his lawyer. The lawyer has visited the location where he is being held. He was not allowed to see him, but they confirmed to him that they are holding him in that location. He was asked to come back tomorrow, Wednesday, by 8 a.m. to see him. I asked him, hope they are not going to play a funny game of secretly extraditing him. The lawyer told me it is not possible. We filed an application for political asylum for him over a week ago. With that in process, he cannot be legally extradited from Benin Republic. I am very confident about that. I handled the application myself with the immigration lawyer, and he assured me that since that application has been filed, he cannot be extradited. I think we should be rest assured that he will have the opportunity to see him tomorrow." This is according to The Nation. Thanks for watching.